Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about how we can find the version of PHP and more information about PHP that is being installed on our system. So let's open one command line, and on command line we can write php-b, and it will provide all the information about the PHP version that is being installed on our system. The second way is to create a file or use a inbuilt function in PHP known as PHP info. So we have created a file, and inside that file we are making use of PHP info function. Let's see the output of this program on browser. So this is how it appears. The PHP version is 7.1.16. Here is the information about system, the build date of PHP, what are the configurations, and there are some other information about Apache server. Here we do have configuration about the file php.ini and different configured modules in Apache.